Please take the opportunity to know your local charity organizations in where you can donate your unnecessary households and goods as a result of house shaking. To those who do not know what is house shaking, it is what we do before the new year, and it means we clean everywhere and every spot to be cleaned and shined. At the end, we would like to appreciate South Australian Government, Multicultural Affairs Department of the Premier and Cabinet, Adelaide City Council and our valued sponsors for their support. And just a few words in Persian. مهمون‌های عزیزمون 13 به در به همگی شما مبارک. ممنونیم از اینکه تشریف آوردید. امیدواریم که امروز یکایک شما لحظات خوب و شادی رو سپری کنید. از اینکه به طبیعت احترام میذارید و در حفظ حقوق‌ها هستید سپاسگزاریم. لازم به ذکر هستش که تمامی ظرفایی که امروز در غرفه‌ها استفاده میشه 100% قابل بازیافته. دوستان به یاد داشته باشید که غرفه چای و شیرینی ما جهت کمک به هموطنان سیل زدمون در ایران هست. بنابراین لطفاً از کمک هاتون دریغ نکنید. امیدوارم به همگیتون خوش بگذره.
Thank you very much, Sahar. There are many people who are helping this event happen. Like you can, by the way, you can find tea and sweets, coffee just behind this tree. We didn't have space to put it there. Apart from those, many people that you can see at the front or around you helping us to have this event today.
بگو دشت پونی کنم گلال زاده بگو دشت پونی کنم گلال زاده که شو یارم مونی کنم گلال زاده بگیرم خوشی از بومم بگرده گلال زاده و پیش پاش قربونی کنم گلال زاده چشماش بیاله حسن و جمال دلبرم هیچ کس نداره حسن و جمال دلبرم هیچ کس نداره.
من سحر خواجانی هستم، رئیس انجمن فرهنگی ایرانیان استرالیای جنوبی.
خانم خواجانی برای ما بگید امروز چه خبر اینجا؟
ما جشن 13 به در رو داریم. همونطور که میدونید 13مین روز سال نو رو ما فارسی زبان ها در کنار هم جشن میگیریم. امروز هم سعی کردیم که به بهترین شکل ممکن کامیونیتی های فارسی زبان رو شامل ایران، افغانستان، البته دوستان تاجیک رو نداشتیم ولی دوست داشتیم در خدمتشون باشیم. الان هم دوستان نوجوان های افغانستان دارن یک رقص زیبای افغانی رو اجرا میکنن.
من که بازار برم برای تو گل ها بیارم تو که کج مکنی که ناز مکنی که خیال مکنی که قار مکنی گردونه در راز مکنی وقت پس لیلی جان آینه به دست لیلی جان وقت پس لیلی جان آینه به دست لیلی جان.
اول از همه که سعی کردیم غذای ایرانی داشته باشیم، به جای اینکه بخوایم غذاهای استرالیا یا جاهای دیگر داشته باشیم بتونیم مردم رو هرچه بیشتر با فرهنگمون آشنا کنیم. زرشک پلو، باقالی پلو، آش رشته، آش شل قلمکار. دوستان هستن در غرفه مجاور پذیرایی چای و شیرینی دارن. غرفه‌ای هستش از دوستان اوکراینی تشریف آوردن و وسایل خودشون رو شامل شیرینی و زیورالات رو میفروشن. یک غرفه دیگه داریم برای قهوه و آب میوه. قسمت اونور ما جامپینگ کسل داریم، باونسی کسل برای بازی بچه ها و همچنین غرفه‌ای هست برای نقاشی صورت بچه ها که میتونن برقصن و از همه مهمتر ما دیجی داریم که مهمون هایی که اومدن میتونن با موسیقی ما آشنا بشن، برقصن و قبل از همه اینها ما در ساعت 12 تا 1 برنامه افتتاحیه رو داشتیم که از مهمان های دولتیمون شامل وزیر امور چند فرهنگی و مهمان از شهر جانشین شهردار و از کانسیل مهمان داشتیم. پرفورمنس رقص ایرانی، افغانستان و اوکراینی. هنوز رقص اوکراینی انجام نشده ولی میشه. امیدواریم که به همه خوش گذشته باشه.
چطور بود؟ هوا با چی بود؟
هوای ادلید دیگه یه کمی اولش بارون و باد شد ولی خب از ساعت نزدیک به 1 دیگه هوا داره همراهی میکنه. خوشحالیم. خواهش میکنم.
Please put your hands together for Honorable Jing Lee.
Isn't Dr. Homan doing a fantastic job? Can you put your hands together for this young man here? And of course, all of you, and including myself, would want to thank Saha, the president, as well as her hard-working committee putting this particular Nature Day together. Can you put your hands together for Saha and her hard-working committee? Today I'm joined by many distinguished guests, including the Lord Mayor, Hossama Viet, Councillor. It's always great to see you, Deputy Lord Mayor. And of course, Aman is also here, Councillor Abraham Sadeh, just in case you think I can't pronounce his name. We also have Adriana from South Australian Multicultural Affairs Commission is also here joining us with Andy, so it's great. Those cultural traditions need to be preserved so that we can carry on from this generation to the next. On behalf of the Honourable Stephen Marshall, the Premier of South Australia, it is very, very grateful that we're able to share these traditions with you and this celebration. And it's great that the Multicultural Affairs Department is able to allow the grant for you to run this event here. Thank you so much and congratulations. Have a wonderful day, everybody.
I'd also like to acknowledge the Honourable Jing Lee, Assistant Minister representing the Premier today. Also, Adriana Christopoulou, thank you so much for joining us from Samiak, and Councillor Arman Abrahimzadeh, for also our area councillor, new councillor, Persian councillor. He should come up here, Arman, actually. It would be good to do a bit of a duo here with Arman. So Arman just joined us recently at the City of Adelaide. He's just been elected as a new round of councillors to the city. Would you like to say a few words?
Yes.
I've been put on the spot, so I'm going to keep it short, sharp and shiny. I do want to welcome everyone here. It's great to have like I said, the Persian community, the Farsi speaking community here, and I love the fact that we all get here and we celebrate these special occasions in our culture. Ready? So I'm going to hand back to Issam, and hopefully he'll be able to take it further from here. Thank you.
Thank you, Arman. Khudafis, Arman. Salam everyone, and look, it's a pleasure to be here with you today, and congratulations to the Persian community for putting this on. A very important event, and one that we are really reminded of every day in the City of Adelaide. We are surrounded by incredible parklands, as you have seen around us, and our city has taken a motto in the way we market ourselves. And you're probably starting to see some of the banners around the city and around the state that talk to Adelaide as being a city designed for life. Imagine that. We are a city that is designed for life. And the reason we are designed for life is because of the living component, but also because of the parklands and the way they're positioned around our beautiful city. And what a wonderful way to be able to remember nature on Nature Day.
به سر عروس و دومات شباش کنیم نقل و نباد به سر عروس و دومات شباش کنیم نقل و نباد گل کرمه پریارا به قامتش که خون میاد همگی که بزنیم با هم بگید شباش شباش همگی که بزنیم با هم بگید شباش شباش سری را کنار بریم دومات میخواد دار بزنه.
اسم من آرمان ابراهیم‌زاده است و من یک کانسلر در شهر آدلاید هستم. امروز اینجا 13 بدره. 13 بدر یک روزیه که ما پیکنیک جمع میکنیم و با خانواده با دوستان میایم به توی پارک. امروز همه کمیونیتی فارسی زبان اینجا میبینیم که اومدن توی پارک 13 بدر رو به حساب لذت ببرن.
شما سالهای قبل هم بودید تو مسئله؟
نه سالهای قبل 13 بدر نیومده بودیم بیرون، ولی امسال که اومدیم الان میبینیم که چجور جشنی هستش و چجور انرژی هستش و خیلی عالیه که کمیونیتی هم ایرانی هم افغانی هندی و از خیلی از کشورهای دیگه هم هستن اینجا. ما الان اینجا میبینیم که این همه کلچر، این همه مردم که با هم اومدن از فرهنگ‌های دیگه، این یک چیزی هستش که به استرالیا خیلی ارزش داده شده، به کلچر استرالیا خیلی ارزش داده شده. Now here we've got the Deputy Lord Mayor of City of Adelaide. His name is Hussam Abiad. He put me on the spot before, so I'm going to put him on the spot now.
That's all right. Never shy away from the camera.
Excellent. Hussam.
me?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, where are we going?
Salam. Salam Hussam.
Salam to you. What would you like to do? What would you like to ask? Are
Well,
you a reporter or am I reporting you? What's going on?
No, I'll be the reporter, so I'm going to try and investigate
Ask
as
all
much
the
as I can.
questions.
I will.
Let's
It's going to be
investigate.
some hard questions.
I am looking forward to it.
And it's in Persian portion, obviously.
And that's right. So we'll probably have to. Actually, I'm going to test your Persian.
Let's give it a go.
Okay. Salam.
Salam.
Chetori.
I have no idea what that means.
Chetori, how are you?
How are you? I am very good.
Khub. You say khub. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
So what brings you here today?
It's just awesome to be amongst it all and be amongst the community. And I think it's a beautiful day, Nature Day. I would imagine, you know, where we all come back to our roots, we connect, and we just go out and meet. And the food's been incredible. I don't know if you've seen some of the food that's been presented here today, but just to be amongst it all, it's just very, very, very exciting, and it's all for just a very happy day. It really feels happy.
It is a very happy day, but also the setting here. So tell us a little bit about where we are and why it's important to be where we are celebrating today.
I think Bill Gardens is a very special place in the city, and it's in the south part of Adelaide, which is really, really important. But I think this is a gathering place for our Indigenous communities, and it's also a gathering place for all of us as a community. So it's just great. It's absolutely great.
And what about the food? So you made a special mention about the food. So what did you try and what did you have and what did you think of it?
So we had the rice here was absolutely incredible. And it's just the nice flavors between, you know, the saffron and the berries and the pistachio. It gives you all those mixes. And the spices in the chicken was great, and the lamb as well. And the rice there with the beans. It just really brings it back to basics. But the flavors are just incredible. They really are.
Final messages.
Happy Nature Day to everyone. I think it's incredible that we can all come together and embrace what's beautiful about our city, multiculturalism, and the beautiful people that we have. So, happy Nowruz.
Thank you.
Thank you.